I own a cleaning business, and after many years of cleaning, my hands have completely been destroyed. Like, and I mean, these are my hands right now. This is after a full day of cleaning and I have not put anything in them. Like, let me tell you, they're even worse. I know on the camera sometimes it might seem like they're okay, but they're not. They are so destroyed, and I have tried so many hand creams and nothing has worked. You put the hand cream on, it will, once, as soon as you wash it off, that's it. Like, there's nothing there to like help your dry skin and everything. So after trialing like over 20 hand creams to see what will actually work for me, I've decided I'm creating my own brand. And this brand is pretty much going to be a brand, a skincare brand, which is not based on like a cosmetic skincare. It's going to be like a skin protection skincare for like people with dry skin, people that are constantly washing their hands, people who wear gloves a lot, because gloves really irritate my hand, especially some gloves that I use irritate my hand and completely destroy them. And sometimes I just find like after wearing some gloves for a while, like my hands will start bleeding and crack, and it's just, they get really painful, especially when I do like end of lease cleaning. It just does not work at all. So that's why I'm pretty much starting my own brand to solve the problem for people who are pretty much suffering from the same thing, which is dry skin, and don't have a product in the market that actually like protects your hand and like your repairs your skin barrier from like further damage. Because like, you really think it's normal, especially after cleaning for a few years. Like, I honestly thought, I'm pretty sure everybody's suffering from the same thing. It's just sometimes when they get really painful, then I realized, okay, maybe this is not okay. And you can't have like hand creams that are too greasy, because when you're wearing gloves, it doesn't fit into your hands, like, which it just causes more hassle. So I want to create something that is non-greasy and also fragrance free, because I find any hand cream that has fragrance irritates my hand even more. I don't know what it is about fragrance, so I've stayed away from anything that smells good and that kind of stuff, and I've tried to like stick to something that are more tailored to kind of, I guess, hydration and restore and that kind of stuff. But again, those don't actually work on protecting your hand and making sure that your skin barrier is actually repaired and no further damages is going to be caused. So yeah, this is pretty much day one of me starting my own skincare brand, and just thought I will share, you know, what it will be like from day one to launch date. I still have like quite a long time before I can launch my product, but I just thought I will start now, share this journey in case there's anyone else out there who is also looking to start a business or launch, you know, a product. I'll be sharing my fails, my wins, my like everything that I'm pretty much doing along the way to make sure I launch my product. So yeah, subscribe, leave me a comment below. Tell me what in the comments, like, do you suffer from dry hands, and is there anything you've used that actually help your hands? Yeah, let me know in the comments. That would be really good, because I would like to try it and I guess tailor my product that I'm creating to make sure that maybe include some of the ingredients that are in that. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.